Wait, 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 baby. Wait, wait.
Hello. Hi. Arey. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Absolutely well. Wow, you're wearing such a lovely dress.
Thank you.
Come, please sit. It's been such a long time.
Yes, right. Long time.
Feels so good to see both of you. Pooja, how are you doing?
All good.
And Sakshi, how about you?
Same, normal life?
This dress is looking really beautiful on you.
I bought it from Udaipur.
Acha, when had you gone?
We went there last week. You should also go there.
How's the trip?
Very beautiful place.
It must be really cool out there, na?
Hey,
Oh.
let's plan a trip together.
Arey, that's a really good plan. Thank you. So when should we go? Let's
Mummy,
plan soon.
I am feeling hungry. I want chocolate.
Aryan, you wanna have a chocolate?
Huh?
Here. Have this. Try this one.
What kind of chocolate is this?
Just taste it.
Wow, this chocolate is yummy.
Uh-huh. I told you. I told you he's going to love it.
What do I do? He eats too much chocolates and wafers. I'm worried for him.
Arey, don't worry at all. This is not like normal chocolates. This is healthy Joy Bite.
Chocolate and healthy? How is it possible?
Oh yes. Joy Bites. It is a healthy alternative to chocolates.
How come?
It is superb in taste. And the ingredients used in it also have many benefits.
How's that?
Joy Bites are made from selected grains like quinoa and oats. It also contains nuts like almonds and peanuts. Even chia seeds and flax seeds are used here.
Flax seeds and chia seeds?
These seeds are an excellent source of omega fats, which are essential for the brain development and more importantly for the children.
There might be a lot of sugar in it. Eating more sugar is not good for health.
Arey, this is what makes Joy Bites different from others. Instead of using refined sugar, it is made of honey and jaggery.
From now on, I'll only give Joy Bites to my kids.
You both have it too. Even we adults can have it.
Thank you. This is so crunchy.
Aren't they? Everybody at our place loves them.
Everything tastes amazing.
And Sakshi, you've joined the gym, I've heard. How's it going?
Yes, it has been around 1 month now. And I'm feeling good.
You're looking good too. Just look at her. She really looks good.
You're looking quite fit.
My gym instructor was suggesting some kind of bar to me.
This is an amazing energy bar that contains a good amount of protein and calcium. It can help to fulfill the energy requirements needed after your workout. You girls are just going to talk or going to have some snacks too. Try these. These are Swecha Khakras, made out of wheat flour and rice bran oil.
Okay.
Really tasty.
Oh, it's amazing.
And try these. These are quinoa frames. These are not like normal chips. They're made from quinoa and they're roasted.
Nice.
Really tasty.
Try these quinoa chocolate burfis. I made them today. Nowadays I'm eating quinoa during my fasting too.
How come?
Quinoa seeds, na, so you can use them during fasting too.
How come?
You can make pulao out of this. You can make cutlets too. You can make porridge as well. You can also make dosas.
That's wonderful.
Yes, RCM's YouTube channel has all the recipes on it. Taste these. These are tasty makhanas.
We hear a lot about makhana and its health benefits.
Yes, they make an excellent snack. They are very nutritious and contain a good amount of protein and calcium. That is what makes it so popular these days. Svecha makhana is roasted and that is why it is easy to digest. It is not fried and that is why you can use it as a light snack too. That is what makes it an excellent snack during traveling. So this is a travel friendly and a health friendly snack too. All I can say that makhana should be used in every family. RCM helped a lot to improve the food habits of my family. All the products are made by keeping health as the priority.
Yes, I have also used RCM products. They have good quality products. My husband loves RCM tea and namkeen. Biscuits are everybody's favorite.
Oh, great, Sakshi. You have also used RCM products.
Komal gave me some products, and from now on, I'll take a lot of things from Komal. Why should we buy products from the market and put our health at risk?
Yes, Pooja, a lot of products are available in RCM. RCM takes special care of health in each and every product. I'm working for RCM and enjoying this experience. RCM has recently started the Svecha premium category of products like quinoa, makhana, Joy Bites, quinoa Fryams, kawa, honey, etc. And the company takes good care of quality and purity standards. I want to tell you something very important about honey. We all use honey for the betterment of our health. But still, sometimes we have concerns about its purity. RCM has taken extra efforts to ensure the purity of honey, and that's why every batch of their honey is tested in a Germany-based lab. Can I show you a short video?
Yeah, sure.
See this?
Honey has been used since ancient times. There are several benefits of honey mentioned in Ayurveda, for example its role in cough and phalgam, etc. Natural antioxidants are also known to be there in honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that also contains vitamins and minerals and known to be healthier than sugar. It can be applied on chopped fruits to prevent browning due to oxidation. You can consume it by adding it to tea or coffee, breakfast cereals, curd or dalia. You can also add it on your green tea. It is because of these beneficial qualities that RCM has added honey to its product range. The biggest objective of RCM is to provide pure honey. The research team of RCM did extensive work on the quality of the product, and due to lack of a suitable test lab in India, it was sent for purity test to a German lab and cleared for purity. RCM never compromises on quality of any of its products. The honey is packaged in a glass bottle to keep its quality better over storage. RCM's trusted Svecha honey is presented to you for every member of your family. You can give this honey with confidence to your friends and relatives. By working on this product, you can not only increase your business, but can also do important work towards health.
What are you thinking, Pooja?
I was wondering that my husband spends a lot of time traveling. In such cases, he doesn't get homemade food and has to eat unhealthy items from the market. What if I give these products to him on his tours?
Yes, Pooja. This is a great idea. My husband also likes to have different varieties in an evening snack. So I can also offer him this kind of snack.
You're absolutely right, Pooja. During traveling, Joy Bites, makhanas, khakra, quinoa, fryams, all these make great options. They last for a long time and they give you energy and also have health benefits. These are amazing options for kids and also to serve to your guests.
Wow, Komal, you solved one of my greatest worries. It was really good to be here.
But why aren't you having anything? Have some more.
Good.